hopefully now it will start on the button. Had my wiring guru come round to sort out the isolator issue, which ended up being a miswiring by the original company that made the loom, which apparently is not unusual with them. Oh well. Anyway, it should now start on the button. Let's see. And get in there. We have a throttle. It's still at 20% at the moment, so I can't be silly with it, but it runs. Woohoo! Oh. Now, next job. The two jobs I've got. We've got rather a low voltage at the pump, so I've got to go through all the earth, take them all apart, clean them all up, copaslip them, put them back together again, and then put some water in it, and then start fixing the leaks. But we're getting there, bit by bit we're getting there.